Okay, this video has been a long time in the making. Smartphone is something that we carry every single day. There are a lot of small tricks that we can do with our smartphones. In this video, I will show you top tips and tricks that will blow you away. Today we have 3 of the greatest Android tips and tricks. So without any further delays, let's get started. Okay, like most people, I take my smartphone everywhere, but it would be kind of nice if I did not need to take my wallet as well. So if you only wanted to carry some money with you, you can actually store it in the back of your mobile case. It's not going to damage your smartphone, but do it carefully. Carefully fold the money and you can fit 2 to 3 notes inside of it. And of course, it also works with cards. You can easily carry 2 to 3 cards and store some notes, thus killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Next one is a very simple thing. You often get notification for apps and things that you just do not care about, and if you hold down on those, you can block them from coming, which again is a thing that will save you a little bit of battery as your phone is no longer looking for them. But it also stops you from getting distracted by apps and things that you have no intention of going on. You might be wondering why on earth I am composing an email to myself. It's because sometimes emailing yourself your identity cards like Aadhaar, your driving license, your PAN card, etc. can be handy at times. There has been tons of times when I thought, why on earth I am not carrying a scanned copy of my essentials. There are apps like Google Photos to scan if you want your document to look as if they are professionally scanned. It was a lot of fun to make this video, guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, do vote it down. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. Till then, it's Jones, and I am signing off.